Hey guys, Keith of Alaskan Motorhome, and it's the beginning of June, so I think it's time to take the RV cover off. I'm going to put the batteries in today and get it all ready to go. I still want to give it a good tune-up, change all the fluids, and we have a very short window for doing anything here in Alaska when it's warm. Basically, you have a 100-day growing season. You have about 100 good days of good weather to get out and do stuff, so we need to get this baby ready to go. Well, I think the first thing we need to do is undo all the straps underneath holding it on, so that way I can climb up on the roof and then flap it over and start the rolling up process. Well, now that we have everything unstrapped, let's go ahead and pull the back up and try to climb on. Alright, I got a lot of it folded up. It's almost done. Just have to roll it up to where it'll fit in the bag. That went well. Rolled up pretty nice, so now all I have to do is put it in the case. So now I gotta climb down and get that. Alright, well, we got it all in the bag. Looks like a giant Santa Claus bag. Now we get to throw it off the... Alright, so now it's time to put this in storage in the shed and back, because it's too big to put anywhere else. Alright, so now that I've got that done, my next big job is to put the batteries back in. I take them out every winter because it can get to 60 below here. And I store them inside on a wooden shelf, and then I alternate the charger on it all through the winter just to keep them up so they're fully charged and ready to put in. So I'm going to do that next. Alright, so I got all these tightened up and connected, and these are the house batteries. Now we just have to do the engine. And since it's a diesel pusher, it has two. That's stuck. Here we go. Well guys, thanks for watching. I know it's kind of boring watching the removal of the RV cover and putting in batteries, but it's something I've been looking forward to for a while, and I'm ready to go camping. So stay tuned for more, and we'll be back soon. Please like, share, and subscribe. It's really hot here today. It's about 78 degrees.